The planning process of an NFT project has been presented to the non-technical visual creators for better understanding. Now, we shift our focus towards the procedure to launch the NFT. The launching process of NFT comes after creative professionals have planned out the art style, project name, and designed the technical aspects of the game. You can launch the NFT by working on NFT smart contracts, safe listing wallets, minting, and airdropping. To know more, focus on the step-by-step guide to launch NFT without facing any complications, even for a beginner. So let us start, shall we? NFT smart contracts. The first step is to create smart contracts to initiate the launching process effortlessly. The smart contract is defined as the digital contract where the terms of the agreement are set in codes. It is known to be one of the most important features of blockchain technology, which is programmed to self-execute predefined conditions to be fulfilled. They hold assets such as NFTs. The interaction of smart contracts and NFTs cannot be denied, as they can be embedded into each other. It means that a smart contract can own an NFT and then be transferred to a user as written in the agreements in the smart contract. The combination of smart contracts with NFTs unlocks a flexible range of use cases and brings innovation multifold. For instance, the tournaments in gaming have smart contracts and NFTs governing them, and the streaming process is also not completed without the two. The artist can embed their art in NFT and create a smart contract stating its use terms. It wouldn't be wrong to suggest that smart contracts are the building blocks of NFTs. Smart contracts also verify the authenticity and prevents counterfeiting, making the NFT project safe and successful. Now, let us focus on creating smart contracts and launching the NFT. Step 1. For starters, the users are directed to connect to the Ethereum network using the free account of Alchemy. Alchemy is a free blockchain developer platform that makes communication with the Ethereum chain easier. Step 2. After the Alchemy account is made, generate an API key by creating an app to allow you to make requests to the Ropsten network. It is time to create an Ethereum account to send and receive transactions. The fake ETH has to be accessed to deploy the smart contract. Step 3. To do so, go for the Ropsten faucet and enter your credentials. Send it, and ETH will be shown in your digital wallet. After that, make a folder for the project and initiate it. Install Hardhat as it helps the developers build smart contracts and dApps locally. Moving on, make a Hardhat project and create new folders. Step 4. It is time to write the contract in Solidity language. After the contract is written, connect the digital wallet and Alchemy to the project. The user is instructed to install ethers.js, a library that makes interaction easier and can be used to make requests to Ethereum. Step 5. Update hardhat.config.js and then compile the contract. Write the deploy script and deploy the smart contract. Finally, the NFT smart contract has been deployed into the Ethereum chain. Whitelisting wallets. If you have decided to come into the NFT world, you must know about whitelisting phenomena. It is a common practice that means that the crypto wallet address is pre-approved for the successful minting of NFTs. It plays an important role in avoiding the gas wars that occur when too many people are minting NFTs simultaneously, resulting in increased transaction costs. It is because the whitelisted users can spread out their mints as they are not transacting at the same time. The process doesn't lead to a sudden spike in transaction prices. The proof of ownership whitelisting process is also known as a drop. If the NFT's collector wishes to be part of the drop, it is crucial to own something the artist requires. Artists require the buyers to hold 4 different things to have a filtering option to secure drops. The 4 pointers are NFTs from one or many collections, random NFTs from a specific scheme in a collection, particular NFTs from one of many collections, and a certain amount of token. It wouldn't be wrong to state that whitelisting helps prevent a gas war and reward the early supporters of an NFT project. Therefore, to get listed, join the Discord group of your project. Minting directly in your website. The next step towards launching the NFT project spins around minting it directly on the website. Minting an NFT is considered to be the fancy name for creating a blockchain and an act of publishing a token on it. Now that we have created the smart contracts, we will mint directly on the website in seconds. Follow the steps vividly so that you can mint as many NFTs as you want. Step 1. In the first step, install Web3. Web3 is a library that requests the Ethereum blockchain. The Alchemy Web3 will be used for automatic retries. After that, the user is suggested to create a mint.nft.js file. Step 2. Now it is time to grab the contract ABI. ABI is an application binary interface that helps play with the smart contract. Hardhat generates ABI and saves it to the file. Configure the metadata for the NFT using IFPS, which stores and shares data in a distributed file system. It will play an important role in storing NFT assets and ensure its decentralization ability. Step 3. Moving on, create an instance of your contract to interact with. The contract address will be needed for this purpose. To create and send transactions to the Ethereum chain, the user should update the .env file, and a public Ethereum account would be used for the purpose. Step 4. After it is done, create your transaction and sign it to send it off. Now you have to run node contract-interact.js and call mint.nft. That's it. You are deployed and minted with NFT on the Ethereum blockchain. Posting/minting through a marketplace. The launching process is not completed yet, and we still have to go a long way. The next phase in launching your NFT project demands the user to mint through a marketplace. The procedure to do so is not simple, so the artist and creative professionals are expected to follow the guide below carefully. Step 1. To initiate, the user must get a crypto exchange so that buying and selling cryptocurrencies can be effortless. Moreover, the crypto exchange is needed to pay for the minting fees. Step 2. You have to buy Ethereum as it is the blockchain where NFTs are built. The initialization fee has to be paid to sign up for your chosen platform. After choosing the crypto exchange, head on to get a crypto wallet. A digital wallet can be easily set up without any technical assistance. Step 3. Send Ethereum to your crypto wallet and sign up for the NFT marketplace of your choice. It is suggested that you instantly connect the digital wallet with the NFT marketplace. Now, create your NFT. Upload the NFT, add a description, name the project, and list it for sale. After that, professionals should complete the on-screen instructions, and there you go. The NFT has been minted on your desired marketplace. Airdropping. The airdropping phenomenon is a marketing tactic in which the developers send tokens to the users for free so that the NFT project is promoted before it is officially launched. Most startups use this marketing gimmick to generate community and raise awareness of the NFT project they are bringing to the world. Airdrops also facilitate the increase of token price upon its initial coin offering. Therefore, if you are on the edge of launching your NFT, you might find this strategy workable. However, before you decide, you should know the drawbacks of airdrops. There are considerable risks with airdropping, as most scammers use it for pump and dump schemes. The participants of airdrop are vulnerable to phishing attacks and marketing spam. Similarly, for developers, the situation isn't any different. If the holders receive the token and do not find it worthy, they can sell it instantly. The process can be dangerous for the artist as the token would crash, jeopardizing the startup business in the process. Conclusion. This discussion covers an extensive procedure to launch your NFT project and bring it into the digital world. There are always some risks involved with the process, so complete research and backhand knowledge are necessary. A good study on the ins and outs of a process makes the user ready for unforeseen circumstances. The details mentioned before tries its best to explain and educate beginners to create innovation in the NFT marketplace. The procedure can get a little tricky for an entry-level beginner. From minting to airdropping and creating smart contracts to whitelisting wallets, creative professionals are recommended to embark on the journey and see where it